session. Yes. Okay, students. So we're going to enter alkanes, and in alkanes, we're going to do two parts. That is, today we are going to see reactions. Hopefully, we will complete the synthesis part today. In that, we're going to see how alkanes are made. है ना? Alkanes का synthesis हम कैसे करते हैं? वो सारे reactions आप देखने वाले हो. How alkanes are synthesized. Alkanes को बनाते कैसे? So, are we ready, students? Yes, tell me. Are we ready? Should
Yes,
I move
sir.
on to the preparation first? All of you, all of you. Yes, Srushti, Panchal, Drishti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. चलो start करते हैं, ठीक है? And I hope all of you will be very, very active. All of you have to keep on replying me, students. मुझे रिप्लाई करते रहना थोड़ी देर पे, ठीक है? अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो मुझे प्लीज पूछते रहना, ताकि आपके सारे डाउट्स मैं क्लियर करते रहूं एक एक करके. Okay, everyone. साहिल, पार्थ, देव, जेनी, आर्यन, शोनित. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. लेट अस बिगिन. सो वी आर फर्स्ट डूइंग द प्रिपरेशन पार्ट. इन प्रिपरेशन पार्ट आई विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि जो प्रोडक्ट होगा मेरे रिएक्शंस का, those products will be alkane. I'm going to form alkanes. I'm going to produce alkanes. Okay, students. So alkanes synthesis. Okay, students, alkanes ka, yeah, I'll write synthesis of alkanes. What do I mean by synthesis, students? Who will tell me? Synthesis of alkanes. Who will tell me what do I mean by synthesis?
Preparation.
Preparation is right word. Preparation is right word. Making, very good, Drishti. Very good, Drishti. Making alkanes. Producing alkanes. Preparation of alkanes. Forming alkanes. alkanes को हम बनाने वाले हैं, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? सो सबसे पहला टेक्निक क्या है? सबसे फर्स्ट मेथड क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? सबसे फर्स्ट मेथड होगा रिडक्शन, ठीक है, जिसको मैं बोलता हूं कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन. ओके, फर्स्ट मेथड इज कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Students, instead of unsaturated hydrocarbons, can I write alkenes or alkynes? Can I write alkenes or alkynes? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of unsaturated hydrocarbons, can I write alkenes or alkynes? Yes. है ना? हाँ, शाबाश. तो चलो लिख देते हैं. So it is catalytic reduction of alkenes or alkynes, ठीक है? Alkenes और alkynes का catalytic reduction करेंगे. What do I mean by catalytic, students? When I say catalytic, what do I mean by catalytic, students? Please tell me. Catalytic, anybody?
Catalyst is used.
Very good, very good, very good. We are going to use a catalyst. Correct, students? We are going to use a catalyst. So I'll write over here, in presence of, catalytic means in presence of catalyst. What is the role of catalyst, students? Can anybody tell me? What is the role of catalyst? Yes, Drishti. Very good, Shonit. Very good, Shonit.
Reaction.
It will increase the rate of reaction. It will speed up the reaction. Correct है? It will speed up the reaction. Reaction को तेजी से करवाएगा. Reaction को fast करवाएगा. That is the role of. Very well done, Sahil. शाबाश, शाबाश, शाबाश. Sahil ने बोला है, it improves the rate of reaction. That is very good answer. In presence of catalyst, reaction will run faster. It will happen faster. Now, what do I mean by this term? Reduction, students. What do I mean by this term? Reduction. Reduction means what? Reduction means...
of oxygen.
Sorry, Ayush, your voice
Removal
was...
of oxygen.
Removal of oxygen or...
And addition of hydrogen.
Shabash, very well done, very well done. So reduction in chemistry means removal of oxygen, okay, removal of O2 or removal of O2 or एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, ठीक है, एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, एनी वन ऑफ दीज, इनमें से कोई भी एक करूंगा ना, या मैं ऑक्सीजन निकाल लूं या मैं हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दूं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट स्टूडेंट्स. सो इस मेथड का मतलब क्या हुआ, मैं क्या करने वाला हूं चेक करो. I'll take an alkene or I'll take an alkyne and I'm going to, what do you think students? मुझे एक बात बताओ, मुझे एक बात बताओ प्लीज सोच के. alkanes मुझे बनाना है, right? I have to produce alkanes, correct? Now in alkane students, which atoms do you see? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, क्या क्या देखते हैं हम, बताओ. Which all atoms do you
Carbon,
see?
hydrogen.
Carbon and hydrogen, correct है. Do we get to see?
Oxygen also.
Do we get to see oxygen in alkane students? Alkanes में हमको ऑक्सीजन दिखता है क्या?
Yes.
Yes. How many of you say yes? Please raise your
Yes.
hand. Raise your hand. How many of you say yes to this? Alkanes में ऑक्सीजन दिखता है हमको. How many of you say yes to this? How many of you say yes to this? Alkanes contain oxygen. Raise your hand. How many of you say yes to this? Raise your hand, students. Raise your hand. Okay, I can see 2 hands raised. Drishti, can you please switch on your audio, Drishti? Drishti, can you please switch on your audio?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Drishti, tell me. Drishti ने आंसर भेजा है no, we do not see oxygen in alkanes. Yes, Drishti, would you like to comment anything?
Sir, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms.
Superb answer. That is superb answer. So Ayush Gupta, your answer was incorrect, and Drishti has explained why. So Drishti ने क्या बोला? Alkanes are hydrocarbons. Alkanes are hydrocarbons, and more importantly, they are saturated hydrocarbons. That means alkanes are made up of only and only and only and only and only carbons and hydrogens. Carbons and hydrogens. They are not made up of oxygen. They do not contain oxygen. Therefore, students, for sure, can I say this step is not going to happen? This is not an option for me. Can I say this is not an option for me? I'm not going to use oxygen. I'm not going to remove oxygen. Oxygen is not going to be present. Correct, students? Alkenes में भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं होता, alkynes में भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं होता, alkanes में भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं होता है. That means removal of oxygen का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता. ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट ही नहीं होगा तो हम रिमूव कहां से करेंगे? राइट है स्टूडेंट्स? सो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज alkenes. Alkenes में in presence of catalyst we are going to add hydrogen. सबको समझ में आ गई ये बात? हम क्या करने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स? अपना प्रोसेस क्या रहेगा? एल्कीन्स को हम ले लेंगे, एल्कीन्स को इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड हाइड्रोजन in alkene or alkyne. In presence of catalyst, I'm going to add hydrogen in alkene or alkyne. Is that understood, students? Yes, raise your hand. How many of you have understood this? इस लाइन का मतलब सबको समझ में आ गया? In presence of catalyst, we are going to add hydrogen in alkene or alkyne. We are going to add hydrogen in alkene or alkyne. Am I understood over here, students? Please tell me. Please tell me. Each one of you have understood this? Yes, Mahi, Parth, Dev Shah, have you understood? Jenny, clear hai? Rishita, Rishika, very good, shabash. Pravansh, what about you, Pravansh? Yes, Pravansh. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. Let us go into the reactions. Please take a screenshot. If you want, you can take a screenshot, students. Yes, Pooja. What I repeated is already on the screen. ठीक है? What I said is, in presence of catalyst, we have to add hydrogen. We are going to add hydrogen. In presence of catalyst, we are going to add hydrogen in alkene or alkyne. Okay? ये पूरा देखो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है आपको. In presence of catalyst, we are going to add hydrogen in alkenes or alkynes. Okay, we are going to add hydrogen in alkenes or alkynes. Is that understood? Yes, students. चलो आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Okay, let us move ahead, students. Let us move ahead. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. चलो. So next part, students. Next part is now I'll be going into the reactions. बहुत ही simple सा पहले reaction करूंगा students में. ठीक है, first I'll show you general reaction. Okay, very general pattern. First let me show you the pattern. Okay students, पहले pattern में दिखाऊंगा and then we will move ahead. So if I'm taking an alkene, students, suppose if I'm taking an alkene, so how alkene will look like? Can I write like this, students? C double bond C and like this, like this, like this, and like this. Now students, ये देखो check करो. I'm drawing a very general structure of alkene. I'm not drawing ethene. I'm not drawing propene. I'm not drawing butene. I'm just drawing a single carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. And I'm leaving these bonds open. This is a general structure. This is a general structure. Just to explain, ये देखो students, ये मैंने बना दिया, simple सी बात है ना? या फिर रुक जाओ, मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल के साथ ही बनाता हूँ, वरना इसमें कंफ्यूजन आपको हो सकता है. So students, I'll draw C double bond C and over here H, 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 and H. What is the name of this alkene, students? Who will tell me? What is the name of this alkene?
Ethene.
Ethene is right answer. Ethene is right answer. है ना? क्या name है इसका? Ethene. Okay, students. Chalo. Let me write down the name. Ethene is the IUPAC, students. Okay. Ethene is the IUPAC. Ethene is the IUPAC. And what is common name, students? ध्यान दो common name पे. Common name is ethylene. ठीक है? Common name क्या है, students? Ethylene. Am I clear on this? ये check करो. This is common name, students. This is common name. Ethylene. चलो सबके सब ऑडियो पे बोलो एक बार. Ethylene. ऑडियो ऑन करो.
Ethylene.
Very good. IUPAC बोल के दिखाओ मुझे. Tell me IUPAC of this structure.
Ethene.
IUPAC. Very good. Shabash. Very good. Shabash. So this is, students, IUPAC. Okay. This is IUPAC name and this is common name. ठीक है? Ethylene is common name. Ethylene. And the other one is ethene. ठीक है? Now क्या होगा, students? Check करो. Please check what is going to happen now. In presence of catalyst, I am going to add H2. So this is my hydrogen molecule. Okay. At times it is also known as dihydrogen. Dihydrogen भी word use कर सकते हैं आप. Okay, students. And then I will have an arrow over here. Let me draw an arrow, students. On the arrow, I'm going to use catalyst. Okay, students. I'll write symbol. You have to tell me the name. Okay. Ni. What do I mean by Ni?
Nickel.
Nickel. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Shabash. Next, tell me, students. Next, tell me. Ni के बाद I am writing Pt.
Platinum.
Platinum. Very good. Very good. Slash Pd. Pd.
Lead.
No, that is Pb.
Radium.
Palladium is right answer, Shonit. Very well done. Palladium is right answer. So nickel, platinum, palladium. Nickel, platinum, palladium. Is that clear, students? So these are my three options. These are three options for me as a catalyst. I can use any of them. Any one of them you have to use. But on the arrow, you have to write all three of them. Why, students? Because in exam, suppose if I am learning only one out of these three, ठीक है? अभी के लिए if I learn only one out of these three, and अगर exam में अगर मैंने खाली पढ़ा platinum, suppose exam में पूछ लिया palladium, तो मुझे याद आएगा क्या ये कौन सा रिएक्शन है? नहीं याद आएगा. समझ में आया? So therefore, students, I have to learn all three ताकि एग्जाम में कोई भी अगर मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछे, निकेल पे पूछ ले, या if they are using palladium or if they are using platinum, I should know answer to all of them. Okay, students? Is that understood? Yes. Okay. Now, students, if I'm using nickel, suppose, if I'm using nickel as catalyst, then I will have to do the reaction at higher temperature. Okay. If I'm using platinum, I will write room temperature. If I'm using palladium, again, I will write room temperature. Understood? So if you are using nickel as a catalyst, you will also have to heat the reaction. You will have to supply heat to the reaction as well as pressure. Okay, so I'll write heat. ट्रायंगल किसका साइन है स्टूडेंट्स? हीट का साइन है, ठीक है. सो मैंने ट्रायंगल यहाँ पे बना दिया. एंड देन प्रेशर ऑल्सो, हीट एंड प्रेशर मुझे देना पड़ेगा. प्लैटिनम अगर मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ रिएक्शन में, सपोज दृष्टि ने बोला कि सर आई वांट टू यूज प्लैटिनम, सो प्लैटिनम के साथ रिएक्शन विल हैपन एट रूम टेम्परेचर. ओके, सपोज मीत सुपेदा ने बोला कि सर आई वांट टू यूज पैलेडियम, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज निकल, I don't want to use platinum, I want to use palladium. Do I have to heat the mixture, students? मीत ने जो पूछा है, बताओ मीत को रिएक्शन को हीट देना पड़ेगा क्या?
No.
If he is using
No.
palladium, no, he has to do that reaction at room temperature only. ये कर सकता है, ठीक है. But अगर suppose Ayush Gupta is using the catalyst nickel, then will he have to supply heat to the reaction?
Yes.
पड़ेगा क्या? Yes, है ना, at higher temperature and pressure. Okay students, अब चेक करो, देखो रिएक्शन में क्या हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स. I'll write this H2 in red color. Okay students, I'll write this H2 in red color, ठीक है, so it will be more obvious then. चलो ये लिख दिया मैंने. अब चेक करो रिएक्शन कैसे होगा स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज चेक द रिएक्शन हाउ आई एम राइटिंग दिस. सो पहले तो आप क्या लिख दोगे स्टूडेंट्स? पहले तो जो आपके पास ऑलरेडी नोन है वो आप लिख दोगे, ठीक है. देखो इस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स चेक करो. I have removed the double bond. Can you see double bond now between carbon carbon? Students check करो. Can you see double bond between carbon carbon? No, है ना, because ये देखो students, please tell me this is unsaturated or saturated? Tell me, laser check करो.
Saturated.
Unsaturated. But one more bond should be there.
Over here. Wait. I'm asking about the ethene. Look at the laser on the screen. Look at the laser on the screen, students. Is this saturated or unsaturated? Yes,
Unsaturated.
unsaturated. है ना, सब अग्री कर रहे हैं unsaturated है.
Yes.
अगर इस unsaturated वाले को मैंने हाइड्रोजन दे दिया, स्टूडेंट्स, इफ आई गिव हाइड्रोजन तो दिस, बोलो पता है क्या होगा हाइड्रोजन का? हाइड्रोजन जाके एक हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा इस कार्बन पे, एक हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा इस कार्बन पे. चेक करो स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज चेक करो. Now, should I put double bond over here? Please check करके बताओ students. Do I have to put double bond? No, because already all four valencies are satisfied. So this over here reactant, students. इसको हम बोलते हैं reactant. Okay, क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? Reactant. Okay, इसको हम बोलते हैं product. है ना students? Tell me, reactant and product को आप compare करो and बताओ कौन सा saturated है? Which of these is
Product.
very good?
Product.
Shabash. What about reactant? Is it saturated or unsaturated, students?
Unsaturated.
Shabash, very good Pooja. So this is ethane. Check करो students. Only one name, ethane. Only one name. Okay students. अब मुझे ethylene समझ में आ गया. Ethylene students. Ethylene is common name or IUPAC? Ethylene. Common name. Very good. Common name. Chalo. Take a screenshot, students. This was the first reaction. Take a screenshot, students. I have taken example of an alkene. Okay, students. Alkene का मैंने example लिया. देखो मैंने red underline भी कर दिया alkene को. हम alkyne भी ले सकते हैं. थोड़ी देर में alkyne भी लेंगे. ठीक है? यहाँ तक बात क्लियर हो गई, students? आप सब बुक में लिख रहे हो, सबके सब बुक में लिख रहे हो, सबको बुक में लिखना है. ठीक है?
Yes,
You have
sir.
to write in your book, students. You just don't have to look at the screen. आपको लिखना भी है बुक में. Yes, Mahi. Very good. And students, naming is very important. You also have to do naming part. ये देखो, ऐसे आपको naming भी करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने naming नहीं किया, आपके marks कट हो जाएंगे. Okay, students? Marks आपके कट हो जाएंगे. चलो, should I go ahead with the next example, students? एक और example ले लें, students.
Yes, sir.
चलो start करते हैं. Let us take one more example, students. I'll delete this part. Okay, now I know hydrogen तो common ही रहेगा, so I'm not going to delete hydrogen. I'm not going to delete catalyst also. Catalyst भी delete नहीं करूंगा, ठीक है? Now I'll give opportunity to you people. आप में से जिसको भी आंसर आएगा, you have to raise your hand. Okay, you will have to raise your hand, and I will ask you to tell me the answer. Okay, students? ठीक है? Catalyst भी आपको बताना है. चलो, I'll just give you reactant part. Reactant part मैं आपको दूंगा. ठीक है? Now I'll also give the IUPAC as well as common name. So this is the reactant part, students. I'm so sorry. CH3 dash, that is bond, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, can anybody tell me IUPAC of this compound, students? IUPAC of this compound?
Propane.
Propene is right answer. Adipura, very well done. Propene is right answer. Propene is right answer. Next, what will be common name? Common name, students?
Propylene.
Propylene is right answer. Well done, Ayush. Propylene. ठीक है, ऐसे लिख देते हैं. चलो, propylene. ठीक है, प्रोपिलीन. ये देखो, ये समझ में आ गया. लास्ट में I'll put YLENE. प्रोपिलीन. वेल डन पूजा, वेल डन, वेल डन. प्रोपिलीन. ओके, प्रोपीन, प्रोपिलीन. नेक्स्ट, who will tell me what do I have to add over here, students?
H2.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Very
Hydrogen.
good, very good. Let me write down H2 over here. Correct? H2 मैंने लिख दिया, students. चलो, I'll write down H2 over here. ठीक है, H2 over here. Now students, I want to write something on arrow. Who will help me?
Catalyst.
Catalyst. Which is the first catalyst, students?
Nickel.
Nickel.
Very good. Ni. ठीक है, slash.
Platinum.
Next. Platinum. Very good, Aryan J. Shabash. Platinum. Next is
Palladium.
Palladium. Very
Palladium.
good, very good, very good, very good, students. If I'm using nickel, do I have to heat the reaction?
Yes.
If I am using
Yes.
nickel?
Yes.
Okay. So just below nickel, I'll write the triangle sign.
Triangle.
Okay, which means the heating part. Slash. Now
Room
below
temperature.
platinum, I
temperature.
have to write room temperature,
Room
or just
temperature.
RT will do. Okay. Then palladium के नीचे I'll write again
RT.
room temperature, which is RT. You have to write full form, by the way. Okay, I'm writing RT. You have to write full form. For NIPTPD, you can write short form. NIPTPD, these three are standard short forms. So you can write short form over there. But for RT, room temperature, you have to write entire thing. Okay, room temperature. Chalo, students. By the way, I don't have space. Therefore, congestion हो रहा है. आप H2 के बाद स्पेस छोड़ के अच्छे से आराम से ये थोड़ा दूर जाके लिखना, ठीक है? मैंने देखो H2 and Ni के बीच में स्पेस नहीं है मेरे पास यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Therefore थोड़ा सा कंजेस्टेड दिख रहा है आपको. All right students, चलो let me move ahead. So अपन पहले क्या करेंगे? Black color से ही students use different color, ठीक है? different color पर यूज करेंगे students. ये देखो ये black color से मैंने लिखा है, right है? So black color से ही मैं लिखूंगा. But I will remove one thing. कौन सी चीज मैं भूल जाऊंगा लिखना जानबूझ के? Which
Bond.
thing I'll not write?
Double
bond. Very good. Instead of double bond, what I'll write, students? What I'll put?
Single bond.
Single bond. So same color I will use. CH3, CH, single bond, CH2. Is this understood, students? Is this understood?
Yes.
What
Yes,
should I
sir.
put next? चलो बताओ मुझे, ये जो रेड वाला H2 है, ये दोनों H को मुझे कहाँ रखना है?
Above
CH
CH and
will become
CH2.
CH2.
Very good. You have to, students, ये आपको देखो ये स्टेटमेंट बोलने आना चाहिए. You should be able to speak out this statement जो मैं अभी बोलने जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आप क्या बोलोगे? Hydrogen should be added across. Hydrogen atoms should be added across double bond, carbon carbon double bond. Hydrogen atoms should be added across carbon carbon double bond. Okay, students, and because addition is happening, this reaction is also known as addition reaction. This reaction is also known as addition reaction. Which type of reaction? Addition reaction. सबको समझ में आ रही है स्टूडेंट्स ये बात? कौन से टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन है ये? एडिशन टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन. ओके, सो एक एच मैंने दे दिया यहाँ पे, एक एच मैंने दे दिया यहाँ पे. रेड कलर से ही मैं लिखूंगा स्टूडेंट्स, जानबूझ के, सो दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि कहाँ गया मेरा हाइड्रोजन. एंड व्हाट वाज द नेम स्टूडेंट्स? वेल डन आदिपुरव, वेरी वेल डन आदिपुरव. द नेम इज propane. Very good. Propane. Is this understood, students? Please tell me. Simple सी बात है ये.
RT.
Yes, yes. Shonit.
We have to write the full form of RT, room temperature.
Yes, yes, yes. You will have to write full form of room temperature. Correct. Is this clear, students? Now suppose, students. Yes, if you want, you can take a screenshot, by the way. Or I'm sure you're writing in the book also, so there is no need to take a screenshot. If you're writing in the book, there is no need to take screenshot. I'll be uploading this lecture on YouTube today itself. Okay, this lecture would be uploaded on YouTube today itself. All right, students. Yes. Now, what I have to ask is, suppose Pravansh ne suppose mujhe, Pravansh, are you there? Pravansh, you're there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose Pravansh ne pucha, sir, instead of like this, can I write propane in this pattern, sir? What if I write like this? Ye dekho, I know propane बनने वाला है. So red color से if I just write CH2 and CH3, एक एक हाइड्रोजन मैंने बढ़ा दिया. ये देखो सर, यहाँ पे you have just one hydrogen on the second carbon in the reactant, and in the product I've put two hydrogens. So one hydrogen increase कर दिया. Also, sir, in the reactant you have CH2 for the last carbon. Over here I've put CH3, so I've increased one more hydrogen. So मेरा काम तो हो गया ना. तो ऐसे लिख सकता हूं क्या मैं सर? बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, आप क्या बोलोगे प्रवांश को? Is he right
Yes,
over
sir.
here? Is he right over here?
Yes.
Yes. He is perfectly correct. Pravansh is perfectly correct. But students, initially, abhi, because we are learning right now, so I prefer you people, you can write this also, by the way. आप अपने बुक में ये लिख के ले लो students. आप अपने बुक में ये वाला भी लिख के ले लो, नीचे जो प्रोडक्ट के नीचे एक और ऐसे लिख के ऐसा भी प्रोडक्ट बना दो. So product can be written in two patterns. But students, right now I prefer all of you to use this pattern. ठीक है, जो अपना इसके पहला वाला पैटर्न था, ये वाला ही पैटर्न आप यूज करो. ठीक है? Why? Because you should know कि कहाँ पे ऐड हो रहा है हाइड्रोजन. All right, दोनों, both the answers are correct. You'll get full marks for both of them. Is this clear, students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yash Verma, clear है? Yash Verma, Manav Darji, understanding everything? Chalo. Now I'll give you example. Okay, students, you have to solve. You have to solve this. Chalo. I'll delete this part, students. ये part मैं delete कर दूंगा. Okay, and I'll give you examples. Let me see if you people can solve this. चलो. And one more important thing, मैं आपको एक और trick यहाँ पे, एक और नया चीज. I'm going to teach you one more new thing over here. Please focus, students. CH3, CH2, then CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2. Who will tell me IUPAC of this compound?
Butene.
But1-ene. Can I write but1-ene? Any reason for that? But1-ene.
Yes.
है ना?
So double bond is between first.
हाँ, डबल बॉन्ड का एड्रेस स्टूडेंट्स अपने देना पड़ेगा ना, भूल गए आप? डबल बॉन्ड का एड्रेस आपको देना पड़ेगा। प्रोपीन में यू हैड नो ऑप्शन, दोनों तरफ से 1 पे ही आएगा, बट यहाँ पे देयर इज नो ऑप्शन, सो आई विल हैव टू राइट bute1ene. Okay students, bute1ene. Next, what is common name for the students? ध्यान दो please, please focus over here. As soon as 4 carbons हो गए, then जैसे आपने IUPAC में you have to use number students to indicate the position of double bond. Okay, IUPAC में you have to use number to indicate the position of double bond. Common naming में you will have to use the Greek letters. Greek letters होते हैं ना students, ये देखो ये वाले अल्फा बीटा गामा, ये सुना आपने कभी? अल्फा बीटा गामा है ना? सो वो वाले लेटर्स से मैं यूज करूंगा पोजीशन बताना, ठीक है? सो मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ देखो, चेक करो, अल्फा ब्यूटिलीन, अल्फा ब्यूटिलीन. अल्फा ब्यूटिलीन मीन्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है. अगर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड के बीच में होता तो क्या लिखते हैं सर आप? तो मैं बोलूंगा बीटा ब्यूटिलीन. ओके, बीटा ब्यूटिलीन, गामा ब्यूटिलीन. फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ के बीच में डेल्टा ब्यूटिलीन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा. बट जनरली डेल्टा के ऊपर आपको स्ट्रक्चर्स नहीं आते हैं, अगर आए तो डेल्टा 1 डेल्टा 2 डेल्टा 3 ऐसे चालू हो जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बट वहां तक आप नहीं पहुंचोगे, आपको 11th 12th में आएगा ही नहीं, आएगा ही नहीं. ओके, सो अल्फा बीटा गामा इज मोर देन इनफ. इनफैक्ट अल्फा बीटा इज मोर देन इनफ. Is that understood students? Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Alpha butylene. Chalo, now you have to complete this reaction. I'll write H2 over here, H2 लिख के I'll leave it on you. Chalo students, please start. Please start the reaction. Please start the reaction. If you are done, you have to raise your hand. Okay students? You have to draw the reaction in your book students. आपको book में draw करना है. You have to give the name of the product. You have to write the catalyst also, conditions also, complete the reaction. Once reaction is completed, you have to raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand and let me know that your reaction is completed. Yes, Drishti, perfectly correct. Drishti, perfectly correct. That is perfect statement which you have used. Okay. Very good, Rishita, Rishika. Yes, Pooja, your answer is correct. Pooja, your answer is correct. Okay, students. Chalo, Pravansh. हो गया Pravansh? Is it done? Sahil, let me know. Please raise your hand, Sahil, if it is done. Khush Bagaria. What about you? Meet Subeda. Mahi. Yash Verma. Students, you have to raise your hand. If you're done with the reaction, you will have to raise your hand. Okay? Yes, Khush, no problem. आराम से solve करो, no problem. Students, once you are done, you have to raise your hand. Shonit. Okay, yes. Shonit का भी हो गया है. Keep your hand raised. हाथ नीचे नहीं करना है जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. Okay, students, keep your hand raised. हाथ नीचे करना ही नहीं है जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. रुजुता शिंदे, आर्यन, जेनी, अक्षय बाजपेयी. What about you, students? Parth, Ayush Gupta. Ayush Gupta, is it done? Raise your hand, students, once you're done. Yes, Jenny. What about you, Jenny? Very good, Parth. Very good, Parth. Raise your hand. Parth, raise your hand. That is right answer. Parth, raise your hand. That is right answer. Very good, students. देखो सब most of सारे students का हो गया है. Very good. So just Parth is remaining. Ruchita Shinde, Akshay Bajpai, and Khush Bagaria. Parth, if you're done, you have to raise your hand, okay? Otherwise, I won't be able to understand if you're done or not. Okay? Akshay, what about you? Very good, Khush Bagaria. Shabash Khush. So just two more students now. Akshay and Ruchita. Okay, Akshay has joined just now. No problem, Akshay. Ruchita is also done. Very good. Chalo. Akshay, you will focus with us. ठीक है? आप यहाँ पर focus करोगे. And let me know if you have understood or not. We are doing reactions today. We are doing synthesis of alkanes. Okay? We are preparing alkanes, students. So, Akshay, how we are going to prepare alkanes? We are going to do reduction of alkenes. Alkenes में हम hydrogen add करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? So ऐसे reaction type को क्या बोलते हैं? Such types of reactions are known as addition reaction. Okay? Addition reactions. Chalo, let us start. So who will help me? Who will help me? Jenny is going to help me. Yes, Jenny, please switch on your audio. Jenny, please switch on your audio. Yes, Jenny. Jenny, please switch on your audio. Pooja,
Yes,
wait, Pooja. Jenny, chalo, batao. Jenny, my first question to you is, why have I put alpha over here? What is the use of this alpha in the reactant?
Because
What
the
is-
double bond is in the first.
Very good. Double bond is between first and second carbon. To indicate that, we have put alpha sign. Shabash. Jenny, my next question is, butanene or alpha butylene, which one is the common name of this reactant? Which is the common name?
Alpha butylene.
Alpha butylene is right answer. Very good. Very good, Jenny. Okay. My next question to you is, Jenny, my next question to you is, reactant. My reactant over here, is it saturated or unsaturated?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated is right answer. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Next question, Jenny. My next question. Because I'm adding hydrogen, so therefore, this is which type of reaction? Oxidation or reduction? Oxidation or reduction?
Reduction.
Reduction is right answer. Very good. Because we are adding hydrogen, it is reduction reaction. Over here, I've used the term reduction. Check karo title mein, students. Akshay, check karo Akshay, because you've joined late. Please check properly. Yes. Chalo, Jenny, let us begin. So now you have to give me names of the catalyst. Okay, Jenny? Tell me which is the first catalyst. Which is the
Nickel.
first catalyst?
Nickel.
Nickel. Correct answer hai Ni. Shabash. Next.
Platinum.
Platinum. Very good. Next.
Palladium.
Palladium. Shabash. Palladium. Okay, palladium. Okay. Okay, Jenny. For nickel, For nickel, do we have to supply heat, or we can do it at room temperature with
No, we
nickel?
have to supply it.
Very good. If I'm using nickel as catalyst, okay, Akshay, focus over here. If we are using nickel as catalyst for this reaction, you will have to supply heat. So that we will show by the triangular sign. Okay, triangle sign. Next, platinum.
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Very good, Jenny. Room temperature. For palladium.
Room temperature.
Room temperature. That is right answer again. Next. Now, I will write product in which color, Jenny? Which color? Which
Red.
color should I use? Which
Red.
color should I use?
Red color.
Black color. ये देखो black color में यहाँ पे लिखा है ना हमने, तो पहले वही same चीजें लिख देंगे. Okay, Jenny? I'll add the same thing in black color again, and then I'll add hydrogen to it. Okay, but I should forget. I should जानबूझ के मैं क्या भूल जाऊंगा? जानबूझ के. What should I forget? Yes, Jenny. Double bond. Very good. So CH3, CH2, CH, single bond, CH2. Check karo students. Everything is identical. I have not missed anything except double bond. Double bond में भूल गया बनाना. जेनी भी भूल गई, आर्यन भी भूल गया, साहिल भी भूल गया, अर्पिता भी भूल गई, सब लोग भूल गए डबल बॉन्ड बनाना. करेक्ट है, सब लोग भूल गए डबल बॉन्ड बनाना. पूजा भी भूल गई, शौनित भी भूल गया, सब लोग भूल गए, जानबूझ के भूल गए. चलो जेनी, टेल मी व्हाई. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड व्हाट ओवर हियर in place of hydrogen. Very good. So should I write like this, Jenny? Can I write like this, H2? No, is this wrong? What is wrong over here, Jenny? Okay, you don't have to add two. Very good. You have to add only one hydrogen atom per
Yes.
carbon, correct? Per carbon. So that's it. Ye check karo students. Check karo. What is the name of this product, Jenny? Name of the product? Yes, Jenny. Name of the product. Which alkane is this? Which alkane is this? Yes, Jenny. Which alkane is this? Very good, Aryan. Butane. Okay, simple hai. 4 carbons. So butane. All right, students? Yes. Chalo. How many of you got this correct? Raise your hand. Let me see now. Shrishti Panchal, Drishti, Khush Bagaria, Parth, Mahi, Meet Supeda. Everyone, if you have got this correct, Rujita Shinde, raise your hand, students. अगर आपको करेक्ट नहीं मिला ये, अगर मिस्टेक हो गया तो आप मुझे पूछोगे क्या मिस्टेक हुआ, आप मुझे बताओगे, so that I can help you. Okay, students, अगर मिस्टेक हो गया है तो you have to tell me so that I can help you. Please tell me क्या मिस्टेक हो गया. Yes, Meet Subeda, Parth, any mistake? Meet Subeda and Parth, any mistake? Please, students, you have to speak on audio, otherwise I will not be able to help you. आपको मुझे ऑडियो पे बोलना पड़ेगा. मीत, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ तो आपने हाथ ऊपर क्यों नहीं किया मीत? Yes, Parth, why you have not raised your hand then? Raise your hand then, raise your hand. Yeah, आपको हाथ ऊपर करना पड़ेगा मीत. Parth, if you have got this correct, you will have to raise your hand. If you're not raising your hand, that means you have got it wrong. How to raise your hand? Okay. Can you see 3 dots over there on your screen? 3 dots. आपको दिख रहे हैं 3 dots? वहां पे हैंड रेज का ऑप्शन होगा. थम्स अप का ऑप्शन कहां पे है पार्थ? Over there. Parth, you are attending this on mobile या laptop or PC? Tell me, Parth, switch on your audio first. Switch on your audio. Laptop. Okay. Okay, very good. Laptop पे ठीक है. So can you see reactions? आपको bottom of the screen reactions दिख रहा है last में? हाँ, तो reactions में जाओ, click करो reactions को. अभी दिखा raise hand. कैन यू सी रेज हैंड नाउ? हाँ, थम्स अप के नीचे रेज हैंड दिख रहा है आपको? नीचे लिखा हुआ देखो, रेज हैंड दिख रहा है?
नहीं।
ओके, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तो थम्स अप कर देना।
पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट में रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन होगा।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन गिव मी थम्स अप, दैट विल डू। ओके पार्थ, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट सम इंडिकेशन यू विल हैव टू गिव मी। इफ यू डोंट गिव मी एनी इंडिकेशन, हाउ विल आई अंडरस्टैंड? समझा? यस, चलो। यस स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड आई होप आपने करेक्ट बुक में भी लिख लिया ऑलरेडी। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे दूं आपको। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके माही, ओके माही, पार्टिसिपेंट्स में ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। आई कैन सी दिस इन माय लैपटॉप इन दी रिएक्शंस वाले सेगमेंट में आई कैन सी। ओके, ठीक है, लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन लेते हैं अल्केन्स का ही। So this is my next reaction and let me see how many of you can solve this. Okay students, बहुत interesting है। ये देखो, CH3 then CH3 double bond CH2. Okay students, CH3 double bond CH2, CH2, ठीक है, this is my reactant. Can anybody tell me IUPAC of this reactant? Who will tell me IUPAC of this reactant? IUPAC students.
ब्यूटीन।
मैं आपको हेल्प करूं? No, that is wrong IUPAC. That is wrong
मिथाइल
IUPAC.
प्रोपीन।
Very good. आपको you have to follow every step students. याद करो IUPAC के steps क्या थे? Identify the longest continuous carbon chain. So this is longest continuous carbon chain, right? है? Correct है students? Then second step, encircle the branch. Third step students, third step, give numbering to the carbons inside the chain. Which end I will start numbering from? Jahan
From
se
double bond side.
From
very
double
good
bond.
Ayush Gupta. You should prefer the end where double bond is nearest. है ना? So double bond nearest कहाँ से आ रहा है? यहाँ से. So 1, 2 and 3. Numbering भी हो गया students. है ना? अगर डबल बॉन्ड नहीं रहेगा तो आई विल प्रीफर ब्रांच, बट बिकॉज डबल बॉन्ड इज देयर आई विल प्रीफर डबल बॉन्ड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नो जेनी, नो जेनी, मिस्टेक हो गया. डोंट बी इन हरी, डोंट बी इन हरी. चलो यहां तक हो गया स्टूडेंट्स. स्टेप 3 हो गया मेरा. स्टेप 4 क्या होगा? टेक अ पेंसिल एंड राइट द नेम. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस ब्रांच?
मिथाइल।
Methyl is right answer. Very good. What is the name of this yellow box?
प्रोपीन।
Propene. Very well done, Ayush Gupta. Superb answering. Superb answering. Okay, so I will write propene over here. Can I write prop 1-ene? Will it be more perfect,
Yes.
student? Prop 1-ene.
Yes, sir.
Just before ene, you will have to write address also. है ना? So prop 1-ene. Remember, you don't have to get confused with prop or propene. You just have to look at ENE. Just before ENE, put the number. Okay, so this part is done. Now let us write the actual name. So students, actual name क्या होगा?
मिथाइल
Why do-
प्रोप 1-ene.
What is the address of methyl?
Two
What is the address
methyl.
of- Yes, that is the right answer. So my actual name would be 2-methyl 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Is that understood, students? 2-methyl prop 1-ene. 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Is that clear, students? Tell me, is that clear? चेक करो, आपने भी यही नाम लिखा है क्या? चेक करो, है ना? सबको समझ में आ गई बातें? डोंट वरी, मैं आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दूंगा. ठीक है, ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दूंगा, आपको सब समझ में आने लगेगा. बट आई होप कि आप सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो कर रहे हो. ठीक है, आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड कि आपने स्टेप्स फॉलो नहीं किया, एक्सेप्ट आयुष, सृष्टि, पंचाल. देयर आर ओनली फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव फॉलोड द स्टेप्स, जिन्होंने मुझे स्टेप वाइज जाके बताया कि व्हाट इज आयुपैक. है ना? रिमेंबर आपको मैंने क्या बोला था? मेरी पूरी गारंटी है अगर मेरे आप स्टेप्स फॉलो करोगे तो आपका मिस्टेक होगा ही नहीं। अगर आपने स्टेप्स फॉलो नहीं किया देन श्योरली मिस्टेक होगा। ओके, सो 2 methyl prop 1 ene, prop 1 ene। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, prop 1 ene। चलो डू दिस रिएक्शन स्टूडेंट्स, करो ये रिएक्शन चलो बुक में फटाफट से। solve this reaction students and give me product, then I will discuss product over here on the screen। चलो I'll give you 2 minutes, start students, फटाफट से start करो। बुक में कैटलिस्ट भी लिखना है आपको, प्लस H2 भी लिखना है आपको, ठीक है। याद आ रहा है H2 मतलब क्या, हाइड्रोजन, ये देखो प्लस H2, ये जरूर डाल देना, एंड देन पुट कैटलिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स। चलो स्टार्ट। Yes, students. If you are done, you can raise your hand. If you are done, you can raise your hand, students. Shabash. Very good, Sonit. Very good, Ayush. Manav Darji, Srushti Panchal. Srushti, you will help me with the reaction. This one, okay? Chalo. What about others?
Okay.
Wait, Srushti. I'll ask you. ठीक है? अभी रुकना है. Let us wait for others to complete. Very good. Shabash. Mahi ने भी complete कर लिया. Arpita has also completed. Parth has also completed. Sahil was also ready. Rishita, Rishika ready. Jenny का भी हो गया. Shabash. What about you, Drishti? Drishti, Meet Supeda, Akshay, Aniket Pawar has joined us late. Janitya ने भी late join किया. Chalo students, tell me, is it done? Very good. Mitsu पैदा कभी हो गया? Well done, me. चलो start करें. Should we begin, students? Yes. Shrishti.
Yes, sir.
Chalo Shrishti, please tell me. How should I go ahead with this? You have to guide me step by step, and I'll keep on writing on the screen. ठीक है, Shrishti?
Okay, sir. Yes. First, we'll write the catalyst on the arrow.
Very
reaction.
good. So which is the first
First.
catalyst?
Nickel.
Nickel. Okay.
Then
And-
the second one is platinum.
Okay. Then
And last one is PD.
PD. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Give me the conditions now, Shrishti. Give me the condition for nickel first.
Okay. For nickel, we are supposed to supply heat, so we'll draw a triangle.
Okay. Triangle.
For nickel, not PD.
Okay. Shabash. So I'll have to draw triangle just below NI. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Shabash. Then.
Then
what about-
below platinum, we'll write RT, room temperature.
Very good.
And same goes for PD.
Very good, Shabash. Room temperature for both of them. Okay. Now, which color I will use for writing
Black.
product? Black, because I've written black. Say I've written reactant also, students. Okay. This is just to make sure that students. Why am I asking for color codes again and again to the students? Why? मैं सृष्टि को बार-बार कलर के बारे में क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? There is reason to this, students. I should train myself. मुझे इसी तरह से अपने आप को ट्रेन करना होगा कि हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स आई शुड फॉलो दिस कलर कोड. इससे क्या होता है पता है? इससे आपका मिस्टेक्स बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, इससे आपके मिस्टेक्स बहुत कम हो जाएंगे. क्या हो जाएगा चेक करो, क्या हो जाएगा मैं आपको अभी समझाता हूँ. ये देखो. यस सृष्टि, गो अहेड.
Now we'll draw the same structure, but we'll not draw that double bond.
Superb. Except double bond, everything else we will draw. Okay, students. So double bond के बदले single bond ही वहां पे रखेंगे. ठीक है. So CH3 CH3 इस तरह से, and then single bond CH2. Is this correct? Is this correct, Srushti?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Next, I'll take which color, Srushti? Which color should I take?
Red.
Red, because we have written hydrogen over here in red color. है ना students? Hydrogen हमने red color में ही लिखा है. Therefore, red color का पेन मैं उठा लूंगा. आप भी वैसे करो बुक में आपके please, so that you understand properly. Okay, students? आप भी red color ले लो and go and put hydrogen. कौन से carbon पे बनाओ सृष्टि? Can I put it on this carbon, please? Can I put it on this
No.
carbon? Why? Why?
Because all the bonds are satisfied. The
Very
other
well
two are-
answered. Very well answered. This carbon over here, students, it has all its 4 bonds satisfied. Its valencies are complete. And secondly, अगर आपको याद आ रहा तो मैंने क्या बोला था? Hydrogen atoms should be added across
bonds.
double
Across the double
bond.
bond.
Very good. Across double bond. So it should be given to the carbons which are doubly bonded carbons. ये term सुना है कभी? It should be given to the doubly bonded carbons. ये देखो, ये दोनों carbons are doubly bonded carbons, correct? So इनको ही मिलेगा hydrogen. So I'll put one over here. Check करो students. One I'll put over here, and the other I should put over here. Is this understood? Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Well done, Srishti Panchal. Superb answer. And she was very clear with her concepts. No confusion at all. She was extremely clear. Now, who will tell me IUPAC of this compound? Srishti, I'll give first preference to you. Would you like to go ahead with the IUPAC name of this compound?
Okay. 2-methyl propane.
That is right answer. 2-methyl propane. Very good. Would you like to tell me the common name of this compound, Srishti? It is very simple. Common name. Pooja, your answer is correct. Yes, Srishti. Common name.
Butane.
Wait. I'll help you, Srishti. I'll help you. Again, you have to go in stepwise manner. You're forgetting the steps. For common naming, step 1 is ask yourself, is it a straight chain or branch chain, Srishti? Is it a straight chain alkane or branched alkane?
Branched.
Branched, very good. If it is branched, which prefix do we have to use? Iso or neo?
Iso.
Iso, very well done. Iso, very well done. Shabash. Total alkanes. How many carbons are there? Total number of carbons?
4.
4. So this is which alkane now? Tell me the common name now. Iso.
Isobutane.
Isobutane.
Isobutane is right answer. Very well done. Very well done. Understood, students? You have to follow each and every step. Absolutely correct answer, Drishti. ठीक है, पूजा ने बहुत पहले आंसर मुझे दे दिया, पूजा ने. सो पूजा का आंसर क्यों राइट आया? बिकॉज उसने स्टेप सारे फॉलो किए. अभी आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? वंस यू आर गोइंग टू 3, अब तक अगर सपोज मैंने आज अगर आपको खाली नेमिंग सिखाया होता वापस से, तो आपके आंसर सारे राइट आते, बिकॉज आपका फ्रेम वैसा है. आप मेंटली यू आर एडजस्टेड टू कॉमन नेमिंग, IUPAC नेमिंग नाउ. बट एज सून एज वी शिफ्टेड टू रिएक्शंस, आपने नेमिंग कल्चर के आपने स्टेप्स भूल गए. नाउ यू डोंट हैव टू, यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द स्टेप्स. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर गेटिंग इट रॉन्ग. सो सेम फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड रखना है. कॉमन नेम जैसे मैंने पूछा तो आपको कहां चले जाना है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट और ब्रांच्ड, सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी प्रीफिक्स, थर्ड क्वेश्चन काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट मी राइट द IUPAC फर्स्ट. चलो, what I'll do is I'll write it over here in this pattern. Okay students, ऐसे लिख दूं मैं यहाँ पे, ये चेक करो. I'll write it like this now. CH single bond and CH3. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया सबको? ये भी सेम चीज लिखा मैंने, है ना स्टूडेंट्स? सेम ही चीज लिख दी मैंने. Now as she said, I'll write the IUPAC first. So 2-methyl propane, that is the IUPAC students. 2-methyl propane is the IUPAC. And common name क्या होगा? सबने बोला मुझे, isobutane. चलो, प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट स्टूडेंट्स. एंड अगर आपने बुक में आपका मिस्टेक हो गया है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर आप बुक में ये वापस से लिख दो. ओके, राइट इट डाउन इन द बुक स्टूडेंट्स. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट आल्सो, राइट इट डाउन इन द बुक. नाउ रेज योर हैंड, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस रॉन्ग? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस रॉन्ग? रेज योर हैंड. आई वांट टू सी. कोई इश्यू नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है. अगर मिस्टेक हुआ है तो लेट मी नो क्या मिस्टेक हुआ है, सो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू पीपल. ओके, यस खुश टेल मी क्या मिस्टेक हो गया? खुश बगारिया टेल मी क्या मिस्टेक हो गया? खुश. अच्छा, ओके, नहीं मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. व्हाट अबाउट यू माही? यस माही. नेम, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. खुश. साहिल टेल मी व्हाट अबाउट यू? क्या मिस्टेक हुआ साहिल? ओके, हैंड नीचे चला गया. वेरी गुड, हैंड नीचे चला गए. ओके, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, चलो आगे चलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन नाउ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन पे चले जाएं स्टूडेंट्स. चलो आगे चले जाते हैं. Now who will solve this reaction for me? Shonit is going to solve this reaction for me. Okay Shonit, I'm
Yes,
also interested to know how you people identify the common name of the reactant this time. Common name of the reactant. जिसको याद है अच्छे से मैंने क्या ट्रिक बताया था उसको आ जाएगा, बट सबको नहीं आएगा. Let me see. Common name students, okay? So CH3, then CH double bond CH, CH2, CH3. This is the reactant students. Okay, ये है मेरा reactant. Yes, Shonit, will you please tell me? अच्छा, एक काम करते हैं students, एक काम करते हैं पहले first you solve this reaction. Okay, reaction solve कर लो पहले. Try to give name to the reactant, common name as well as IUPAC. Product will have only one name. Product का सिर्फ आपको IUPAC देना है students, ठीक है? Okay, on arrow also you have to write certain things. Complete the reaction. Raise your hand as soon as you're done. Raise the hand as soon as you're done. Okay students, chalo start quickly. You have to raise your hand, students, if you're done with the reaction. Okay, raise your hand if you're done with the reaction. Pooja, रुक जाओ. We will discuss. Very good. I can see Rujuta Shinde has already replied, and she has replied absolutely perfectly. Even the IUPAC and the common name as well. IUPAC and common name दोनों बहुत अच्छे से reply किया है. पूजा आपका common name wrong है reactant का. Students, for the product you can give IUPAC as well as common name. Okay, product का भी common name आ सकता है. Rujita Shinde has already sent me the common name for the product, and it is perfectly correct. Aryan, common naming correct है reactant का, but Aryan, there is one mistake. You have not mentioned the address. जो address होता ना, आप हमको बताना कैसे double bond कहाँ पे है. That you have not shown, both for IUPAC also, for common name also in case of reactant. So that part is missing. Yes, chalo. Should we go ahead? Sonit, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, start karte. Let us start, Sonit. So first you have to tell me IUPAC name of the reactant. Sonit.
Sir, prop 2 in.
Prop 2 in is wrong. That is wrong. Manav Darji, can you please help him? What is the IUPAC of the reactant, Manav?
Yes, sir.
IUPAC of the reactant.
Y pentane. Sorry. Pentane dash 2. Pent dash 2 dash ENE.
Very good. Very well done, Manav. Shabash. Pent dash 2 dash E. Why? Because you start counting from that and जहां से double bond नजदीक है. Manav, you can mute your audio. So students, if you start counting from this end, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double bond is coming between third and fourth carbon, correct? Next, if I start counting from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now double bond is coming between second and third carbon. Second and third carbon. So which pattern should I follow, students? Red or
Red
yellow?
one.
Red
Red one.
pattern. Very good. Because by red pattern, my double bond is coming at the nearest possible end. Understood, Shonit?
Yes, sir.
Shonit? शाबाश. ऐसे पेंसिल से लिख लेना है, शोनित.
Yes, sir.
बुक में भी you have to follow this pattern. Okay, येलो वाला भी, रेड वाला भी, या फिर कलर पेन यूज करो. But you have to write this, है ना? ये लिखना है हमको initially. So then you'll be able to make out properly. चलो, pen to in तो हो गया, students. Who will tell me common name of this compound? Common name, students.
Y pen.
Sorry.
Y pentene.
No, that is wrong.
It's gamma pentene है, so Y denotion.
अच्छा. Okay. Like, this is not gamma.
Sir, beta pentene.
Beta is right, Manav. Very good.
Pentylene.
Very good, Ayush Gupta. Beta pentylene. ठीक है, students. Why beta? Check करो. I'm going to delete this now, and I'll write alpha beta.
Because double bond is between second and third carbon.
Very good. So if double bond is between first and second carbon, you should always write alpha, okay, and beta and gamma. ऐसे हम आगे जाते हैं, students. We move ahead in this pattern. ठीक है? So because double bond is between second and third carbon, therefore beta. Okay, beta pentylene. चलो. Yes, Shonit. I'll come back to you. Give me information about the catalyst now. Take me ahead with the reaction now.
Sir,
What's
first Ni,
Ni, shabash. Then
platinum PT,
very good, PT. Then next
palladium PD,
palladium. Very good, palladium. Next
Sir, we'll give heat to nickel.
Okay,
Triangle.
very good. Heat and then room temperature and then room temperature. Very well done, shabash. Now I'll take which color now? कौन सा color हाथ में ले लूंगा? Black color. Okay. What should I write and what should I forget?
Sir, we should have single bond and forget double bond.
Very good, shabash. Rest everything. Should I add anything right now? H add करूं? Carbon add कर दूं क्या?
No, sir.
No, nothing. है ना? So सब कुछ as it is लिख देना है. Okay, students, as it is, I'll write everything. ये देखो मैंने सब कुछ as it is लिख दिया. कुछ भी add नहीं किया अब तक. Nothing at all. We have added nothing at all, students. Okay, so CH3. Check करो. Everything I've written as it is. Now, Sony, tell me, what should I add now?
Sir, we should add now hydrogen to second CH.
Okay, second CH add कर दिया. What else?
And on the third CH.
Okay, very good. I'll add it over here also. है ना? Understood,
Yes.
students? Is that done, students? Is that done? Clear hai? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me IUPAC of this, students. Yes, Shonit, can you tell me the IUPAC of this compound now? Shonit, IUPAC name of this structure? Okay. Sahil. Very good, Jenny. Shabash. Pentane. Okay. Pentane. And who will tell me common name of this structure?
And pentane.
N-pentane.
N-pentane.
Well done, Sonit. N-pentane. Very well done. So I'll write over here N-pentane. Okay, N-pentane. Very good. Take a screenshot, students, and raise your hand. How many of you got this wrong? Raise your hand. How many of you got this wrong? Let me identify your mistake and let me help you with the correction part. Yes, Adi, tell me, कहाँ mistake हो गया Adi?
Sir, on the reactant side, that common name.
Okay, common name. Okay, no problem, no problem. Common name में mistake हो तो कोई problem नहीं. Have you understood the common name now? समझ में
Sir,
आ गया?
can you explain it?
Sure. I explain it to you. Did you understand pentylene part first? Pentylene part समझ गया?
Sir, can you explain that also?
Okay, no problem. What you have to do is during common naming of alkene, आदि जब भी alkene का common naming करते हैं तो last में YLENE डालना होता है, ठीक है? YLENE. This part has to be added at the end. पेंटीन के बदले पेंटिलीन. चेक करो, ये देखो आदि, ये जो ENE पार्ट है उसके बदले हम डालते हैं YLENE. So just YL is added before ENE. Is that understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about the location? तो location के लिए हम IUPAC में क्या यूज करते हैं? Numbers यूज करते हैं, right? But in case of common naming, you use these letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta. ये हम यूज करेंगे. So if it is between first and second carbon, अगर double bond है first and second carbon के बीच में, so you will have to say alpha. If it is between second and third carbon, you will have to use beta. And accordingly, gamma, delta, ऐसे. So यहाँ पे second third के बीच में, therefore I've used beta.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to start from the nearest to the
Correct.
double bond, no?
Correct.
Here also.
Correct. Here also. Yes. Okay. हाँ, next चलते हैं आयुष गुप्ता के पास. आयुष गुप्ता, क्या मिस्टेक हो गया?
सर एक बार एन पेंटेन समझाओ ना.
N-pentane, very simple. It is a straight chain. Therefore, N.
हाँ सर याद आया.
है ना? पूजा, tell me क्या मिस्टेक हो गया पूजा? Yes, पूजा.
Sir, I did mistake in the reactant part.
Okay, अब clear हो गया?
IUPAC में. Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं students. Let us move ahead now, ठीक है? चलो आगे बढ़ जाए. Next, what you are going to see is students, ये पूरा मैं delete कर रहा हूँ. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I am deleting this completely. ठीक है, पूरा delete कर रहा हूँ. And students, now we are going to use alkynes now. ठीक है, क्या use करेंगे? Alkynes use करेंगे. Okay, students. चलो, let us go ahead with the alkyne part. ठीक है, students. Now I'm going to just do the IUPAC naming right now. I'll not do the common naming of alkyne because I've not taught you the common naming of alkyne. जब हम alkyne segment पे आएंगे, alkyne section of this chapter, then I'll teach you common naming of alkyne. आज मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा. We will just do IUPAC naming. Okay, students? चलो. My first reaction. Alkynes now we are using. तो मैं alkene से हटा के red underline. I'll underline alkynes now. ठीक है? बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. ये देखो, चेक करो. You try this one, okay? Please try this one, students. CH triple bond CH plus. Now, students, who will tell me? Is this enough? H2 enough होगा, students? H2 enough होगा? I want to convert it into alkane. Okay, so कितना H2 देना पड़ेगा हमको? Will I have to balance the reaction? Should I balance this? 3 will be wrong. 3 will be wrong.
4.
2. 2 will be correct, students. So I'll write 2 over here. Okay, I'll write 2 over here. यहाँ पे 2 लिख देता हूँ. And now let us move ahead. ये देखो. Let me write it in red color only. Okay, या फिर yellow color. चलो, yellow color में लिखता हूँ. Okay, students. So देखो, ये check करो. Same thing I'll follow. CH. And then let me write down the catalyst also. Ni, PT, PD, heat, RT. What do I mean by RT? Room temperature. What is the IUPAC of this reactant? Ethyne. What is the IUPAC, students? Ethyne. Okay, IUPAC is ethyne. Now check karo, students. Product में what should I write? Alkene में students अपन कैसे लिखते थे? Alkene में हम लिखते थे यहाँ पे एक H and यहाँ पे एक H. But alkyne में कैसे लिखेंगे, students? ऊपर भी एक H and यहाँ भी एक H. That means across double bond, two hydrogen atoms would be added. Across double bond, two hydrogen atoms will be added instead of just one. है ना? double hydrogen add करना पड़ेगा across triple bond. Am I right, students? Check करो. Am I right? Across double bond अब हम नहीं बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? Across triple bond, we have to add 2 hydrogen atoms to each carbon. Am I understood? Raise your hand if you have understood this, students. Raise your hand if you have understood this. Raise your hand if you have understood.
Sir, explain it again.
Okay, again explain करता हूं मैं. हमने डबल बॉन्ड जब था अल्कीन के केस में, स्टूडेंट्स हमने क्या किया था? We added just 2 हाइड्रोजन्स, है ना? 1 हाइड्रोजन ऑन ईच कार्बन. ये वाले हमने खाली ऐड कर दिए थे, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? है ना? बट यहाँ पे कितने बॉन्ड है चेक करो. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है. सो अगर डबल बॉन्ड के लिए हमने 2 हाइड्रोजन, एक हाइड्रोजन डाला था, सो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए हमको 2 हाइड्रोजन्स डालने पड़ेंगे. सो एडिशनली 1 more hydrogen on each carbon. Okay, is this understood, students? Instead of 1 hydrogen, now you have to add 2 hydrogens. Is this clear now? Yes, students, please ask me if you still have doubt. Please ask me if you still have doubt. What is the name of this alkane now, students? Tell me. Product का नाम क्या है? Who will tell me the name of product? Ethane. Very good, Akshay. Very good, Akshay. What is the name of this alkane? Simple है, ethane. Write it down in your book, students. Book में लिख लो फटाफट से. Do not forget to write this 2 also. 2 hydrogen, है ना? 2 hydrogen molecules. चलो, please write quickly, and I'll give you next example to solve. Okay, next example आपको अभी दे देता हूँ solve करने के लिए. जल्दी से. चलो, done. Also take a screenshot, students. Screenshot भी आपको लेते रहना है साथ में. Please keep on taking screenshot also. Keep on taking screenshot also. चलो, done. I'll go ahead with the next part now. Okay, next question. Let us take few examples of alkynes also. Okay, we will take few examples of alkynes also. चलो, students. CH3 C triple bond CH. Okay. Chalo, do this reaction, students. Do this reaction. And once you're done, you have to raise your hand. Everyone, please lower down your hands. आपके हाथ नीचे कर दो, please. सब अपने हाथ नीचे कर लो, please. Very good, shabash. Parth and Pooja, lower down your hands. Parth and Pooja, हाथ नीचे करना है. Very good. चलो, complete the reaction and raise your hand once you're done. Should we start, students? Let us start discussion. अक्षय से start करते हैं. चलो, अक्षय.
Yes,
Will you
sir.
please help me? चलो, give me IUPAC of the reactant first, Akshay. Give me IUPAC of the reactant, or should I help you with the IUPAC?
Sir, propine.
Propine is right name. Very good. Very well done. Propine. Okay, propine. That is perfect name. That is perfect name. Shabash. Well done. Well done. Well done. Propine. Okay. Just for your knowledge, students, should I teach you common name of alkynes also today itself? Are you ready? Should I teach you a common name of alkyne?
Yes, sir.
चलो
Yes,
सिखा
sir.
दूं. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे तो टेंशन मतलब फिर मुझे बोल देना सर नहीं आज मत सिखाओ. एक बार ट्राई कर लेते हैं. अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हुआ तो यू कैन अवॉइड इट. डोंट वरी. ठीक है. सो हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज सी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी. ये देखो ये जो वाला पार्ट है ना, ये वाला पार्ट, इतने पार्ट को हम क्या बुलाएंगे? एसिटिलीन. क्या बुलाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स इतने पार्ट को? एसिटिलीन. ओके. Okay, students, this is known as acetylene. So therefore, जो अपना पहला वाला एग्जांपल था स्टूडेंट्स, CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH, उसका कॉमन नेम क्या था? एसिटिलीन. ओके, कॉमन नेम वाज एसिटिलीन. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. इथाइन, इसका आयुपैक क्या है? इसका आयुपैक क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? इथाइन. एंड इथाइन का कॉमन नेम क्या है? एसिटिलीन. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? इतना पार्ट क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? इतना पार्ट क्लियर है. सो सी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी इज एसिटिलीन. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट यू कैन गो एंड राइट डाउन इन द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. जो हमने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल लिया वहां जाके आप लिख सकते हो रिएक्टेंट का कॉमन नेम. यू कैन गो एंड राइट ओवर देयर एसिटिलीन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इज, ये देखो ये चेक करो स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ इन एसिटिलीन वी हैव समथिंग व्हिच इज एडेड टू एसिटिलीन. ये चेक करो, ये चेक करो स्टूडेंट्स. ये पार्ट तो ऐड किया गया एसिटिलीन को, करेक्ट है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस पार्ट? हु विल टेल मी?
Methyl.
Methyl.
मिथाइल. करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे देखो मैंने क्या लिख दिया? मिथाइल एसिटिलीन. मिथाइल एसिटिलीन. इज दैट अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? दिस इज द कॉमन नेम. हो गया कॉमन नेम, मिथाइल एसिटिलीन. इज दिस क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स?
Sir, I did not understand.
नो प्रॉब्लम सृष्टि. चलो स्टार्ट से बताता हूँ मैं. ठीक है सृष्टि. चलो लेट अस अप्रोच दिस फ्रेशली. ये देखो सृष्टि. नाउ tell me IUPAC of this compound सृष्टि. What is the IUPAC of this compound? CH triple bond CH.
Ethyne.
Ethyne. Very good. Let me write down the IUPAC over here. ठीक है. The IUPAC is ethyne. Now common name of this compound is Srushti Panchal. Common name of this compound is acetylene. Okay, Srushti. Common name is acetylene. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. If you want, you can take a screenshot, or else you can write down this in your notebook also. You can go and write down this name at least in the first example. अभी just इसके पहले वाला जो हमने reaction किया, reaction which we did just before this reaction. In that reaction, you can go and write down the reactant name, common name of the reactant as acetylene. Is this clear, Srushti? Have you written this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I understand, Srushti, as a student, I understand C triple bond C means acetylene. Okay, C triple bond C means just two carbons having triple bond in between. It means उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एसिटिलीन बोल देंगे, है ना. ये करेक्ट बात है. चलो सृष्टि, नाउ टेल मी, can I call this yellow box as acetylene? Srushti, tell me, can I write this as acetylene? Very good. So I'll write acetylene over here. Now which group is attached to acetylene? Srushti, tell me.
CH3.
Which is known as methyl. So now have you understood the name, common name of this compound? Methyl acetylene, है ना. Shabash, well done. So I'll write over here students common name also methyl. Very well done. You people have understood the common name also. बहुत मजा आएगा. ठीक है. Methyl acetylene. चलो done students. Now let us go to the reaction part. So How many hydrogens should I put over here, Akshay? Tell me. Akshay. Wait, Ayush. Yes, Akshay. How many hydrogens should I put over here? How many H2? Akshay, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many hydrogens should I put over here?
Sir, 2 hydrogens.
2 hydrogens. Very good, students. समझ में आ रहा है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Well done, Akshay. Twice of H2. That means 2 hydrogen molecules. 2 hydrogen molecules. Okay, next, Akshay, tell me. Arrow पे क्या क्या लिखेंगे, Akshay?
Then, sir, nickel, platinum, palladium, and nickel reacts when heated. So heat sign, and then other 2 reacts on room temperature. So
Very
room
well done. Very well done. Next, tell me what should I write next? With which color, Akshay?
Sir, we will ignore the triple bond and we will just draw.
Okay, as it is, right? So
Yes.
seriously, you don't have to add anything else. C and CH. What should I write in between C and CH? How many bonds should I draw right now?
Sir, single bond right now.
Very good. Just a single bond right now. Now I want to understand the distribution of these red hydrogens. Total, I have 4 hydrogen atoms. If you can see, I can have 4H total, 4 hydrogen atoms. So how should I distribute them? Tell me, Akshay.
So the carbons which were involved in the triple bond will get 2 hydrogens. Up and down.
Superb. Very well done, Akshay. Very well done, Akshay. Very nicely said. Carbons which were involved in the triple bond. कैसे बोला अक्षय ने? अक्षय ने बोला carbons which were involved in the triple bond. I will focus only on those 2 carbons. I will focus only on those 2 carbons which were involved in the triple bond. I will not care about. I will not worry about. I am not going to worry about those carbons which were not involved in the triple bond. उनका मैं टेंशन ही नहीं लेने वाला. ये देखो. Is this correct, Akshay? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? ये alkane का.
Sir,
Propane is right
propane.
answer. Propane is right answer. Very good. No other common name. ठीक है, students? Just simple propane. Nothing else. Just propane. Take a screenshot, students, and raise your hand. How many of you got this wrong? So that I can help you, students. If you've got this wrong, let me know so that I can help you. So that I can help you, students. Please raise your hand so that I can help you. Raise your hand so that I can help you. If you've gone wrong over there or in this reaction. Yes, Sahil. बताओ मुझे. Okay, हाथ नीचे हो गया, हाथ नीचे हो गया. मानव दर्जी, आयुष गुप्ता. मानव नहीं. Okay, सबका राइट गया, सबका राइट गया. Okay, you can mute your audio, मानव. सबका राइट गया. Very well done, students. I hope you have taken the screenshot. I'll give you the next example now. ठीक है, next example दे दो students. चलो. Let me see if you can solve this one. Okay, students. Let me see if you can solve this one. CH3 triple bond CH. Who will tell me about this reaction, students? ये reactant के बारे में मुझे कौन बताएगा? And reaction also. Who will help me? You can straight away switch on your audio and help me. You can straight away switch on your audio and start helping me with this reaction. Yes, Ayush Gupta.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Sir, are you
What
back
is-
name? No?
IUPAC name, yes, IUPAC.
So 2-methyl propene.
No, that is wrong.
Sir, propine. 2-methyl propine.
No, that is wrong answer again. Anybody else? Anybody else? Pooja? Are you there, Pooja?
Sir, 2-methyl acetylene.
2-methyl acetylene, that is also wrong. Aryan, your answer is wrong. Shrishti Panchal, what about you? Shrishti? Rujita
1 second, sir.
Shinde?
I'm thinking.
Yes. Drishti. No, Drishti, that is wrong answer, Drishti. That is wrong answer, Drishti. Pooja, that is wrong answer.
Dimethyl acetylene.
That is wrong answer. Akshay, that is wrong answer. Rujita Shinde, that is wrong answer. I'm sure you people will laugh when I'll tell you the name. आप सब के सब हंसोगे. That is my guarantee. Let us wait for Srushti. She is still okay. नहीं Manav. That is wrong answer, Manav. That is wrong answer. Janetya,
Sir,
what
आप
about you?
आंसर बोल दो.
क्यों क्या हुआ सृष्टि? क्या हुआ? आंसर नहीं आ
समझ
रहा.
नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं आ रहा है. Okay. No problem. Students, if you recognize properly, आप लोगों ने एक जल्दबाजी कर दिया. जल्दबाजी कर लिया. Is this structure correct first of all?
No, sir. 5 bonds are there.
हाँ, well done Adi, शाबाश. Structure is wrong. Check करो students. Structure is wrong. कहाँ mistake है? See, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. आप लोग मतलब एक ही गियर में गाड़ी चला रहे हो. That is wrong. You should not just keep on driving your car in a
Middle one
single
C
gear.
has 5 bonds.
Exactly. So whenever I have given you a structure, you have to first go ahead with the understanding. पहले आप देखो तो सही. आप मुझे बोलो सर ये क्या दिया आपने? आपने तो मिस्टेक कर दिया सर. आपने तो रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर दे दिया सर. रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर का नाम ही नहीं आ सकता. चेक करो स्टूडेंट्स. How many bonds this carbon is having? Check करो.
5 bonds.
5 bonds, which is completely impossible. So therefore the structure is wrong. Is that clear, students? Tell me, is that clear? So कुछ देर में हमेशा मैं जानबूझ के ऐसे mistakes करूंगा, and I will wish you people catch me immediately. Okay, chalo. Now I'll go ahead with the actual structure which I wanted to give. This is my structure, students. C triple bond C CH3. Chalo. Who will help me with this structure, students? Who will help me with this structure? Yes, who will tell me IUPAC now? Take your time. एक काम करते हैं. Take your time. First, solve the reaction. Go through the reactions. ठीक है, पूरा reaction solve करो मेरे लिए. Give the IUPAC. Try for the common name also. ठीक है, common name भी try करना. And then let us solve the reaction. Reaction solve करो. I'll give you 5 minutes. Then I'll solve it with you. ये मैं आपके साथ solving करूंगा. या you can also help me. But common naming मैं सिखाऊंगा इसका वापस से. ठीक है, आपको common naming में help करूंगा. You also can give common name. Don't worry. Common name. Try मारो at least. Wrong गया तो wrong जाने दो. Try मारो. And then we will solve together. चलो, I'll give you 5 minutes. Quickly start. And raise your hand once you're done.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Tell me.
in bond or branch, which one we should prefer?
Always you should prefer bond, double bond or triple bond.
Okay, sir.
पूजा आप चार्जिंग में लगा के अटेंड कर सकते हो लेक्चर, ठीक है? चार्जिंग में लगा दो फोन को। Okay, students. Hello. Let us start. Let us start, students. ठीक है. So Rujita is going to help us this time. Rujita Shinde. Yes, Rujita. Tell me, IUPAC name of this compound, Rujita. Tell me IUPAC name of this compound. Rujita Shinde, can you hear me? Will you be able to interact on audio, Rujita? Will that be fine? Acha, no problem. No problem. ठीक है. So let us go ahead with Drishti. Yes, Drishti. Tell me IUPAC name of this compound. Drishti, tell me IUPAC name. Yes. नहीं, go in stepwise manner, Drishti. Go in stepwise manner. What is step 1?
The longest one.
Longest chain, very good. So this is one longest chain and this is the other one. Both of them are same. So I can go with any one of them. I'll go with the straighter one. Okay, chalo. This is step 1. Step 2. Tell me step 2, Drishti.
Circle the branch.
Very good, shabash. Next, step 3.
The carbon.
From which end should I start? Right side or left side?
From the right.
From the right side. Very good. From the right side, triple bond is nearest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now tell me the name, Drishti.
4-methyl propine.
4-methyl propine is wrong name. 4-methyl is correct. 4-methyl तक आप correct हो, पर उसके बाद mistake हो गया.
Sorry, 4-methyl pent.
4-methyl pent. 4-methyl pent.
Pentine.
Pent. Number. Pentine is correct. Ine is correct. But what is the address of triple bond? Triple bond का address क्या है? You will have to write 2 over here. Correct? It is between second and third bond. Second and third carbon. Sorry. है ना? Triple bond is between second and third carbon. So therefore I will have to write 2 over here. All right, students. Chalo, this is perfectly correct. Let me help you with the common name now. Please take a screenshot if you want. Students, you can take screenshot if you want. I'm going to delete these circles and numberings and everything else. I'm going to delete them now. Chalo, I'll delete now. So ye pura segment I'll delete. And now let me come to the common name. Okay. And I'll be very happy to see if any one of you have got this correct. Okay, I'll be very happy. Check karo, students. This part over here is known as acetylene. Is this clear, students? This is acetylene. है ना? ये acetylene है. Who will tell me name of this compound? ये branch का नाम क्या है, students?
Methyl.
Methyl. Very good. What should I call this branch over here? ये group का नाम?
Methyl.
No.
Sec propyl.
Sec propyl is right. Sec propyl. You should never write propane. Propyl. Why, students? Because second carbon as well as secondary carbon is attached to this group. Correct, students? This over here, this carbon over here is secondary plus second carbon. Okay. So I will use sec. How many total carbons are there over here? 3 total carbons. So sec propyl. What is the name of this group over here, students? Sec propyl. Let me write sec propyl over here and just methyl over here. Okay. So alphabetically, Students, alphabetically, you should always look at P or M. बताओ कौन पहले आएगा?
M.
M. So the name of this compound is, common name क्या हो गया students इसका?
Methyl 2-sec-propyl
Methyl.
acetylene.
Very good. Methyl sec-propyl acetylene. Methyl sec-propyl acetylene. Please take a screenshot, students. Also, you can write this down in your notebooks. Notebook में जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे सेम आप लिखोगे स्टूडेंट्स. ये देखो जैसे मैंने सर्कल कर करके लिखा है ग्रुप्स के नाम, वैसे ग्रुप्स के नाम लिखो आप पेंसिल से प्लीज. ओके, आई विल वेट फॉर यू. आप ऐसे लिखो, नेमिंग करो ऐसे. ठीक है, डू दिस नेमिंग फर्स्ट. ऐसे नेमिंग करो and then write down the common name just below the IUPAC. Write down the common name. I don't have space, so I'll delete this now. I'm not going to write down common name below. So common name मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया students, ये check करो. This is the common name of this compound. Done? Should I delete this now? समझ में आया students आपको? Acetylene के दोनों तरफ. सृष्टि, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I hope people are enjoying this alkynes का common naming. ठीक है, आपको इसको डरना नहीं है इससे कि कैसे common naming है, ये तो confuse हो रही हूँ मैं. कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना है. I will keep on helping you. We will keep on learning this over next 3-4 lectures. ठीक है, कोई टेंशन मत लेना. चलो, I'll delete this now, students. I hope you've taken the screenshot also. I'm going to delete this now. चलो, let us go to the simpler part now. अब अपन चलते हैं reaction में. All right, students. Let us go to the reaction part now. चलो, reaction कैसे करेंगे? Reaction कैसे करेंगे? Reaction कैसे करेंगे? Yes. So, how many hydrogens should I put over here? Yes, Drishti, tell me. How many hydrogens? How many hydrogen molecules? Okay, Mahi, can you give me Mahi? Mahi? Yes, Mahi, please reply on audio. Please help me with the reaction, Mahi. Who wants to help me on audio? Raise hand. Pooja, are you ready? Pooja? Mahi, you will have to solve that problem. Mike वाला problem solve कर लो. Because every lecture में ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? Okay, Akshay, go ahead. Akshay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, so first of all, we will add two hydrogens.
Very good. 2 hydrogen molecules, you should say. 2 hydrogen
molecules. Then the reaction will be done under catalysts which are nickel or platinum or palladium, and nickel
Very
works
good.
under heat. So we
Very
will
good.
put heat sign also, and other two works on room temperature.
Very good. Very well done. Next.
Then we will write just the same reactants at LHS to right HS without seeing the triple bond.
Shabash. Very well done. Very well done. So instead of triple bond, I'll just put a single bond. Will that be fine?
Yes, sir. Now
Okay,
we will
done.
add 4 hydrogens on the carbons involved in triple bond, up and down.
Okay. Very well done. So carbons which were involved in the triple bond will get 2 hydrogens each. Correct? 2
Yes, sir.
hydrogens
Now it
each.
is pentane.
Shabash. Nahin. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is wrong, Akshay. Tell me properly IUPAC. Give me
Yes, sir.
IUPAC. Follow every step. Who will tell me IUPAC of the product?
Sir, can I?
Yes, go ahead. Go
Sir,
ahead.
2-methyl pentane.
2-methyl pentane is right answer. 2-methyl pentane is right answer. 2-methyl pentane is right answer. Very well done. Shabash Ayush. Who will tell me common name? Very, very simple. Common name, students.
Isopentane.
Isopentane is wrong.
Isohexane.
Isohexane is right answer. Well done, Srushti Panchal. Isohexane is right answer. Well done, Srushti. All right, students. I heard Srushti's voice first, so therefore I have named her. I also heard another voice. Who was that? Even the other student answer correctly. Common name. Was it Rujita? Was it anybody else? Please tell me. अर्पिता
Sir,
कौन था? अर्पिता. Yes, yes, yes. Well done, अर्पिता. Well done, अर्पिता. ठीक है. So students, common name क्या है इसका? Common name is isohexane and IUPAC. I'll tell you IUPAC. आप बुक में लिख सकते हो students. 2-methyl pentane. How come? इस तरह से students check करो. This is the longest continuous carbon chain and this is our branch. That's it. We do not count hydrogen in the branch. ठीक है? Is it understood, students? Please tell me. Is it understood? Is it
Yes, sir.
understood? This is very simple. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? बहुत simple है. I hope you have taken screenshot also. I hope you have taken screenshot also, students. Yes, very good, very good, very good. शाबाश. Okay, चलो. So what I'll do now is, students, अब मैं क्या करूँगा? आपको immediately homework दे देता हूँ. ठीक है? Homework ले ले तो फटाक से अपन homework ले लेंगे इसका. And homework हम solve करेंगे 10 reactions in every case. Okay students? चलो, you have to write down in this in your book, students. अभी अपने book में फटाफट से लिख लो homework. Okay, or else you can take screenshot also, no problem with that. Or else I'll share it in your group also. ठीक है, आपके group में भी share करते हैं. चलो, कोई problem नहीं. So I'll read this. And today we have done synthesis, students. Correct? हमने क्या किया? Synthesis of alkanes. So पहला first set of examples I'll give for alkenes and then alkynes. So दोनों type के 10 examples I'll give you. All right. So synthesis, or I'll just write over here alkanes by using alkenes. Okay, you have to synthesize alkanes by using alkenes. Synthesize alkenes by using alkenes. So I'll just write down the name of alkenes, students. I'm not going to write down the name of alkenes. Okay, खाली alkene लिखूंगा, खाली नाम लिखूंगा. You will have to draw the structure as homework and complete the reaction. Is that understood, students? सबको बात समझ में आ गई? For example, this is my first question. ये देखो, my first question is but to in. तो आप इसको convert कर पाओगे? कैसे करोगे students बताओ? I've given you butane. So you will write structure of butane. You will write plus H2, then arrow पे NiPTPD, heat, room temperature, and then you will add 2 hydrogens, each on doubly bonded carbons which were bound by double bonds. Anybody जिसको ना समझे, please raise your hand, students. Ayush Gupta and Akshay, lower down your hands. Lower down your hands. हाँ. अब मुझे पूछो, किसी को समझ में नहीं है ये बात तो जरूर पूछो मुझे. आपको मैंने ये नाम दिया है, you will have
हमको इनका कॉमन नेम भी करना है ना?
हाँ, yes. कॉमन नेम में भी आप ट्राई करो. ये देखो, इस तरह से you will go ahead. ऐसे आपको स्ट्रक्चर बना देना है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? देन अगेन आपको यहाँ पे नाम लिखना पड़ेगा जो मैंने होमवर्क में दिया है. ब्यूटुइन, देन बीटा ब्यूटिलीन, ऐसे कॉमन नेम लिख दो. प्लस H2, then arrow, everything यहाँ पे लिखना है, फिर प्रोडक्ट लिखना है, उसका कॉमन नेम और उसका IUPAC, like this. इस तरह से you have to go ahead with the reaction. Okay students, I am just giving you the names right now, nothing else, only the names. Okay students, ठीक है? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में यहीं पे रोक रहा हूँ. नेम्स अपन दे देंगे आपको, रिकॉर्डिंग यहीं पे रोक देता हूँ मैं स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है?